Welcome to Imran.Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make jerk chicken with rice and peas. Now, jerk chicken is the most popular dish in the Caribbean, in Jamaica, and the speciality of this is that the jerk chicken is made with scotch bonnet chili peppers, which are one of the most spiciest chilies in the world. So if you like spicy food, you are going to love jerk chicken. So jerk chicken has the authentic charcoal barbecue flavor, the heat from those scotch bonnet chilies, a combination of wonderful spices and a slight bit of sweetness from honey. And this jerk chicken goes really well with rice and peas. And the peas element is made with kidney beans in a coconut-based rice. So those of our viewers that love our Asian dishes that we have been showing you, you are going to love jerk chicken, especially because of the spicy element. Like, it really captures your imagination. And the flavors are somewhat familiar to what you are used to having. So those of you who haven't tried Caribbean food before, you're in for a treat and a half. So let's move to a recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this jerk chicken. We used scotch bonnet peppers, which are extremely spicy. Now I had this jerk chicken that is showing to you for the recipe today, and I must say it was marvelous. I've had it once before. When I had it the first time, it was just memorable. Like, I had never forgotten about it, but for some reason in my head I was like, I really want to actually have jerk chicken again, because the first time I had it, it was absolutely wonderful and really surprised me because I've never really had Caribbean food. But for some reason, it's been several years from that point, and today the recipe was made, and we had it. I had it, and I was like, wow, this is perhaps even better than the first time I had it, especially with the peppers, because as I mentioned earlier, it's the most hottest peppers you're going to have on the planet, one of the most. So you can feel that, but it's bearable. You know, especially if you like your spices, it's nothing that you can't handle from the past. So do go ahead and actually try this recipe out. You will not be disappointed, especially people from the subcontinent, especially people from Africa as well, because the taste, it is absolutely marvelous. It's marvelous. You know, this is exotic piece of food, just of the highest order possible. So jerk chicken is usually served with caramelized plantain and with coleslaw as well. So these have been made. Plantain has been made already. So the link will be in the description. It'll also be maybe on an iCard for you to go and check out. So with that said, do like this video, especially if you've derived value, especially if you're going to try this recipe out, especially if you've gotten to this point. You know, that's an achievement. So you get to this point, do hit the like button. Also hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already, especially if you're new, and hit the notifications bell icon once you hit the subscribe button so that you are informed of our daily releases. There's a lot of videos, a lot of playlists, from starter dips, from chutneys, vegetarian dishes, fish dishes, meat dishes, chicken dishes, beverages, superfoods, healthy foods, many playlists, many types of foods falling within many categories, and also not just food from the subcontinent, food from all over the world, and we are increasing that. So do comment below if you have any requests, because we do fulfill requests as well, which we have done quite a few times already. So with that said, catch you in the next one.